let's consider this polygon over here. Now in this polygon, as you can see over here, let me try and then expand this line. So I'll extend this line. Also, I'm going to extend this line, and then I'm also going to extend the line. The angles formed inside are called the interior angles. So I can call here as angle A, angle B, angle C, D, and then E. Over here, the angles also formed outside are also called exterior angles. So let me call here F, G, H, I, J. So the sum of the exterior angles equals to 360 degrees. So the sum of the exterior angles of a regular polygon, which is I plus F plus G plus H plus J, will be equal to 360 degrees. So the sum of the exterior angles of a regular polygon is equal to 360 degrees. Now what about the interior angles? The sum of the interior angles of a regular polygon is equal to n minus 2 times 180 degrees, where n is the number of sides of the polygon. So if the number of sides are 5, you're going to place the 5 inside the formula. If the number of sides are 6, you're going to put a 6 inside the formula. So as you can see, we have the interior angles and also we have the exterior angles. So when you want to find the sum of A, B, so A plus B plus C plus D plus E will be equal to n minus 2 times 180 degrees. So the sum of the interior angles of a polygon is equal to n minus 2 times 180 degrees. So you need to know this formula. And also now, what if I want to find an interior angle? So let's say I want to find only angle A. How do I find it? So if you want to find one of the interior angles, the formula is equal to n minus 2 times 180 all over the number of sides. So this formula is used when calculating for one of the sides of the interior angles. So n minus 2, it can be B, it can be C, it can be D, or it can be E. So to find any of the interior angles, you gotta use this formula, n minus 2 times 180 over n. Now what if we want to find one of the exterior angles, whether F, G, H, I, or J? That one too, the formula is gonna be 360 divided by the number of sides. So this formula is used when you want to find a particular exterior angles, and this formula too is used when you want to find one of the interior angles. But bear in mind, for a regular polygon, all the interior angles are the same. So angle A, B, C, D, E are all the same, and also angle I, J, H, all of them are the same because the polygon is a regular. So for a regular polygon, all the interior angles are equal, and also all the exterior angles are equal, and also the number of sides are also equal. So the first formula you got to know is that the sum of the interior angles is equal to 180 degrees, and also the sum of the exterior angles equal to 360 degrees. If you want to know one of the interior angles, the formula is n minus 2 times 180 over n. And if you want to know one of the exterior angles, is equal to 360 over n. And bear in mind, all the exterior angles are the same, and also all the interior angles are the same. So let's consider this question over here. Now over here it says find the value of x in the figure below. So you have to find the value of x in this figure over here. Now as you know, this is a regular polygon, and then you have to find the value of x in the figure below. So over here we have to find the value of x. Now this one is a polygon. The sum of the interior angles of a regular polygon is equal to n minus 2 times 180 degrees. Now when you consider this polygon, 1 2 3 4 5, n is equal to 5. Now substituting n inside the formula, we have 5 minus 2 times 180, and 5 minus 2 is going to give us 3 times 180. So 3 times 180 is going to give us 540 degrees. So which means that when we add everything inside this polygon, we are going to get 540 degrees. So let's go ahead. We have x plus, which means that we have x plus 2x, 3x, then over here we have 2x plus 30, then we have x plus 20. So let's go ahead, and then here we're gonna have 6x 2x plus 30 plus x plus 20. Now here x plus 2 8x, and then so 9x plus 30 plus 20 is 50, is equal to, now as you know, the sum of these interior angles is equal to the 540. So which means we're gonna write the 540 degrees here. Now we're gonna have 9x minus 540 minus 50. So 9x is equal to 490. We're gonna divide here by 9, also here by 9, which is gonna give us 54.4 degrees. So this is how you find the value of s in this polygon below. Don't forget to comment on the video, like and subscribe.